Good evening, children, and those of you who will be viewing this live stream this evening. My name is James Fields, and this evening I'll be reading to you an old story, one that I learned when I was a child, some 60 plus years ago. And it was labeled Row, Row, Row Your Boat. And this is told and illustrated by Isa Trapani. It's a boat full of bears, look like Mama Bear and Papa Bear and 3 little children and their dog, their little puppy. And it starts like this: for Pat and Margaret, Johnny, Daniel, Helen, and Anna, may you share many adventures together. And maybe we called your name. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. It's something when we can dream and think about things that are in our hearts and on our minds. But here's a family just rowing down the stream. Row, row, row your boat, happy as can be. Sunshine glowing off and rowing with your family. Row, row, row your boat. Stroke and follow through. Sometimes it's hard to get us to follow through, isn't it? Fumbling, flailing, oars go sailing. What a clumsy crew. Papa Bear lost his paddle and Mom lost hers too. But they still row, row, row your boat. Row with all your might. The little animals jumped in the stream and recovered the paddles. Papa Bear began to row again, and Mama Bear looking out. Children enjoying themselves, rocking, bashing. Water was splashing. Better hold on tight, Papa Bear said. And that's what we got to do in life, just hold on tight. So, row, row, row your boat. Look ahead to find beavers damming loggings, jamming, and left you in a bind. Papa Bear pulled the boat to the side, and the little children jumped out, chipmunks flying around. Beavers was building a dam. Papa Moose walked up and played with the children and began to sing with them, row, row, row your boat. He stopped to have a munch, chomping, snacking, slurping, smacking. What a noisy bunch, he said. And we all get noisy sometimes, don't we? Especially when it's bedtime. We want to stay awake. We want to make as much noise as possible. But this story says we just need to row, row, row our boat. Better row. Papa Bear said we need to row to shore. Raining, hailing, winds were welling. Can you hear the thunder roar? Papa Bear put on their raincoats and they went ashore. Row, row, row your boat. Find a place that's dry. Scurry, scuttle, hide and huddle till this storm blows by. Row, row, row your boat, and away you go. The storm had ended, and we can continue on. Papa Bear says skies are clearing, sunset nearing. Homeward bound, we shall row. So row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. We can be as happy as we can be. sunshine glowing, off and rowing with your family. So row, row, row your boat. Look ahead to find beavers were damming, logging, jamming, and left us in a bind. But row, row, row your boat, and away you go. The skies are clearing, Papa Bear said, sunset nearing. Homeward bound we will row. So row, row, row your boat, gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. I hope you enjoy this story as I did as a child. Row, row, row your boat, gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Good night.